it's Gina with your note of the week. This week's note is about purchasing adjustments. A purchasing adjustment can be used to correct the cost or add miscellaneous charges, like freight, to a posted receiver. So you've probably run into this before where you're looking at an item record, something that was recently received, and you notice when you're looking at the item record that the last cost is wrong, which probably also means your average cost is wrong. So I'm just going to come in here into inventory, and I can see my last cost is wrong, my average cost is wrong. Well, I know I received it in just a couple days ago, and apparently there was just a mistake during the receiving process, so it's easily fixed. I am going to go to Purchasing, Adjustments, and Enter. Next, I'll click on Select Receiver, and I'll select the receiving document and click OK. Next, I'll click on Lines. I'll highlight the item, and notice down here on the adjusted line, I can change the cost to, let's say it's $400 instead of $375. And on top of that, the vendor actually charged me $25 freight, but I didn't get the freight bill until 2 days after I posted the receiver. So I can click on Miscellaneous Charges, put in my freight, and now I'm going to post. And what posting will do is it will update my last cost, my average cost as well. So let's go take a look. I'm going to escape from here and go back to Inventory Items. And we'll find that item. Okay, so notice my last cost did indeed update to $400. I'm going to go to Inventory and check my average cost, which indeed updated to $388. Purchasing adjustments, a great way to fix cost or add miscellaneous charges to a posted receiver. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk with you next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com, and on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.